Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show how to install Visual Studio Code for Microsoft. First step it is to download Visual Studio Code. As you can see, I've already done it. Click on downloaded file, read license agreement and click on I accept the agreement. Click on next, add open with code action to Windows Explorer file. Add Open with Code action to Windows Explorer directory context menu. Register code as an editor for supported file types and add path. Click on Next and click on Install and simply wait. After installation completed successfully, click on Finish and VS Code will automatically start itself. I've been using VS Code editor previously. And here's the list of all extensions that I've installed. First one, it is auto close tag. When you change one tag, it will automatically locate the second tag and will change it also. So you don't need to do it manually every time. Next one, it is a bracket pair colorizer. So you can easily understand whereas you open bracket, whether you've closed bracket. This is especially useful if you make bigger projects or in JavaScript, or at least it is very useful to me. I've installed CD NGS library, code spell checker, which I use because I'm not native English speaker. Color highlight. This color highlight is especially useful when you work with CSS. So every color that you use will be highlighted exactly by that color that you've selected. This also works in JavaScript. I use community material theme. I use IntelliSense for CSS class names in HTML. And one of my favorite extension that is JS CSS HTML formatter. So I don't need to manually format the code. This extension does it for me with 8 seconds delay. There is available another really popular extension called Beautify for the same purpose, but somehow I find this JS CSS HTML formatter working better for my requirement. Next I have Jupyter Notebook, Jupyter Keymap, Live SAS Compiler for writing advanced CSS, Live Server. I have it but I rarely use it because I predominantly open files in Chrome browser without starting Live Server. Material icon theme. So each icon will have different design and it will be easy to distinguish between different files. Next one I have Pylons and obviously Python. This list of all extensions which I use currently, your list could be different depending in which stage you are as a developer. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing, press like button. If you have any comments, write it in comment section and I will reply on it.